How to fix router connectivity loss from wrong IP settings. Imagine trying to call a friend and your phone shows the wrong number. That's similar to what happens when your router's IP settings are off. Your device can't talk to the internet properly. Let's walk through how to fix this and get your connection back on track. First, check your device's current IP address. On a computer, open the command prompt and type ipconfig. Look for the IPv for address and the default gateway. If your IP starts with 169.254, it means your device couldn't get a valid IP from the router. This usually points to a DHCP problem. DHCP is the system that automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on your network. If it's disabled or not working, your device won't get a proper IP. To fix this, log into your router settings and make sure DHCP is enabled. Usually, you can access your router by typing its IP address into a browser. Common defaults are 190.168.1.1 or 190.168.1. If you're using a static IP address, double-check that it's within the same subnet as your router. For example, if your router's IP is 190.168.1.1 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, your device's IP should be something like 190.168.1.2 to 190.160.1. 254. Make sure it doesn't conflict with other devices. To correct wrong IP settings, go to your device's network settings. On Windows, right-click the network icon, select Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Here, you can choose Obtain an IP address automatically to use DHCP or manually enter a static IP. If you pick DHCP, try renewing your IP by opening command prompt and typing ipconfig, then ipconfig renew. Don't forget to check your DNS server settings too. DNS translates website names into IP addresses. If these are wrong, your internet won't work even if your IP is correct. You can set DNS servers manually to Google's public DNS, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or OpenDNS at 208.67.22 to 200.222 and 200.67.2 to 200.220. Sometimes, restarting your router can clear temporary glitches. Turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. If you still can't connect, confirm you're using the correct default gateway IP from your device's ipconfig output. If your router's IP is different from common defaults, use the one shown there. If issues persist, consider resetting your router to factory defaults. This wipes all custom settings, so you'll need to reconfigure your network. Firmware updates can also fix bugs related to DHCP and IP assignment. Getting your IP settings right is key to keeping your network running smoothly. Proper IP configuration ensures your device can communicate with the router and access the internet without interruptions. Remember, correct DNS settings help you reach websites easily. By following these steps, you'll restore your connection and keep your network infrastructure working perfectly.